Hi, this is Tom Reardon, math teacher from Ohio, here to talk to you about what is new TI-Nspire 3.0 technology. Much of what you're going to see came from the release notes that are available online from education.ti.com. Some of these are also just pictures from mine. Pretty cool, huh? Full color backlit display, thin, sleek design on the handheld, rechargeable battery, and you can import pictures. Here's a picture of the CX and CX CAS handhelds. They are compatible with previous versions. One of the ways to charge the battery is to plug it into the wall adapter. The operating system updates will work on all TI-Nspires, whether it's the new CX handheld, the touchpad, or the clickpad. The difference is the CX is the only one that supports color. Even pictures can be brought in, but they will be in grayscale on the other models. Speaking of pictures, insert images into several different apps. Notice you can use for modeling and other things. Very, very impressive looking. These are screenshots. There are some new keypads for the SmartView emulator. Here we have the normal one. We have the high contrast to find keys easier. And here we have the outline that some people were asking for. Please realize you update the new computer software, you can use this TI-Nspire CX emulator that's in color. Even if the student handhelds are not, you can still present with that in front of you with your SmartView emulator. This was amazing. Exact values now in graphs and also on the window settings. You can now have pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and so on as fractions. I mean, really cool. Completing the square, this is only in the CAS engine. It's not in the numeric or non-CAS version, but now there's a command called complete the square. Here it's shown graphically also. Statistics improvements, especially for easy visualization of categorical data. We've got nice colorful bar charts. Also notice the spreadsheet has color, and also notice in the pie charts with or without percentages. Here we have side by side. Again, I'll just let the pictures do the talking. Wow. Data collection now is much easier. There's a Vernier Data Quest app on TI-Nspire, has 3 views: meter, graph, table. Here is a walk the line graph that I created. You can now create your own graphs for that. Here's one that I tried to walk the line. I'm not real proud of it, but it's decent. It'll work. Notice the color. I just thought this one was cool. Yeah, I'm not sure what it does, but I just thought the picture was cool. Differential equations, slope fields, differential equation graphing. Please don't stop. I got lots of good things to show you, even if you're not a calculus fan. Here we have a slope field. Here we have one with an initial condition. Here we have 2 initial conditions side by side. You can have several initial conditions. 3D graphing in color. Different surfaces. A couple more examples of 3D graphing. And you can rotate them and automatically have it rotate and look underneath and all kinds of investigation. And it's quick, no longer waiting like we did on the 89. Publishing tools, you can now create an interactive worksheet. Those of you who remember TI Interactive, this is kind of that advanced, what I call prepare and share. Here's one that the student could interact right on the computer with it. You can explore, you can do it algebraically, you can graph it, and then you would have place for embedded videos and also for embedded photos. I see at least 2 key ways to utilize Publish View: to prepare lesson plans like a template, or to create documents to share using something called the player. Here's a prepared lesson. This one is a picture of a London Eye. This is a clip for a video. This is a Ferris wheel article. And here's one that I can share with other people, area and perimeter of circles. And this is showing the comparison of those two. The document player can be viewed and explored on the web. It's a free online tool, and you don't need to have the TI-Nspire software. Other videos that you may want to look at, there's one called Multiple Representations from Algebra 1. Here I compared the color next to the grayscale just to kind of show that. Geometry area formulas, you can interact with this. Students really like this one. Algebra 2, you saw this before, comparing circles, perimeter, and area. Notice use of color to help teach. Pre-calculus, conic sections, parabolas, ellipses, hyperbolas. Calculus actually has 3 of them. This is one talking about approximating area with rectangles. This one talks, of course, about the 3D graphing. And this is about the slope fields. Math modeling has 3 of them. I just showed 2 pictures here. Middle school math, pie and bar charts, as we saw a little bit earlier. The data collection, published view in the player. And so this is what's new in TI-Nspire, and this is the end of the video.